These mouth-eating ASMR videos are extremely viral on the internet right now, and this YouTube channel has gained 3.7 million subscribers in just 164 videos posting this exact style of content. And I got genuinely shocked when I saw that every single video is sitting at millions of views, and their top two videos reached 121 million and 107 million views. Now, watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open ChatGPT, click on More, then click on GPTs and search for ASMR mouth eating. Click on the first result, open it, and click Start. It will ask you a few options to begin with: candy item, candy color, mouth or lip style, and any special effect. Now, if you already have a candy in mind, just enter it directly. Or if you want inspiration, simply copy the YouTube channel link, paste it into a new chat, write this prompt, and hit enter. It will provide you various candy names to choose from based on what is already performing well. I am going with Ruby Sugar Gem. Paste it into the GPT, enter your color, then your lip style, and then your effect. Hit enter, and it will provide you 1 main scene prompt, 4 matching prompts, and 5 video prompts. Everything you need for multiple videos is right here in one place. Copy the main scene prompt and head over to Google Flow.
Select the image option with all your desired settings turned on. Paste the prompt in and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your images will be right in front of you. Now, if you want to generate another candy object image, simply click on the image you like, click the dots, and choose Add to Prompt. Copy your matching prompt and paste it in. Your second candy image will be ready in seconds. This keeps the visual style and atmosphere perfectly consistent across all your objects. Now, let's convert them into videos. Click on the first image, click the 3 dots, and choose Animate. Select OmniFlash as your video model and choose your required duration and number of outputs. Copy video prompt 1 and paste it in. Hit enter, and your first ASMR mouth-eating video is ready. Repeat the exact same process for your remaining objects until all your videos are done. Now, open any video editor you like and import all your clips along with some relatable emojis. Add the videos in the correct sequence on the timeline and place the emojis on top to give the content that fun, engaging social media feel. Hit export, and your ASMR mouth-eating video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.